came here because no other schools can compare.
You should come here because you have better opportunities and the programs are better.
I came to Riverdale High School for better college opportunities.
It's just a good school, a lot of good teachers and stuff like that.
Riverdale has amazing teachers that are here to help their students succeed.
I came to Riverdale because it's a great school and I wanted to play baseball here.
Why'd I come to Riverdale High School? It's one of the greatest schools in Lee County.
Because the JRTC program is really good and super fun.
They have more after school activities and more programs for people that want to do them. So that's why I came to Riverdale.
Yes! Come on, get up! Lock it, lock it, lock it, you got it, lock it, lock it, lock it! Nice.
I came to Riverdale for all my friends that were coming too, and because Riverdale was always a fun school.
I came to Riverdale because it's a really good school and the academic program is really good. I'm an IB, so it gives me more choices for my future.
Riverdale is like the best school ever. I love this school so much.
Why Riverdale? Awesome. I like the staff, the students, the classrooms, the experiences, the programs they offer. Just look at the campus. It's really cool,
We have the best students in the county, very friendly environment, and we also offer the #1 curriculum in the county. And for special programs, we offer IB, which is the #1 college prep program in the world. So students have an opportunity for a really bright future.
Riverdale's the #1 school because of the ROTC program and the support that we have from the staff and the teachers, as well as the principals that we have. We have a bunch of great kids here that nurture and take kids under their wing and make sure that they're successful through high school.
You should come to Riverdale High School because we have the best JRTC program within the county. We are an amazing program with about 700 kids, and we have 5 of the best instructors in Lee County. We are a IB school, and we are a B+ school. We have one of the best football teams and the basketball teams around. And just wait till you see our soccer team. We have the best kids in Lee County. I promise you, if you come to Riverdale High School, you will come to the best school in all of Lee County.
We have a great family atmosphere, we have a great sports program, and we also have a top-notch security team here.
Well, Riverdale's the best high school to come to because you have 2 of the best deputies working here, serving and protecting, and also it's a really great school.
Because I like the school colors.
I mean, their colors are pretty great. Who doesn't want to be a Raider? And on top of that, our football program is #1, so.
We have a lot of sports here. I'd probably say the people, friends make me feel at home. And yeah, I just think it's fun. I'm doing wrestling right now, which is really fun. And basically this school, I just love it, so.
Sports and the teachers that help you learn.
I think Riverdale is the #1 school to go to because you can make some good friends here and there's a lot of good opportunities. And we got some good sports teams, play lacrosse, boys and girls.